I have a question.
Yeah.
Are you elite or are you a freak?
Oh, I'm an elite freak.
She a freak in the sheets.
We're all okay. Hey, it's Javi Mac. Interviews from the chair. I'm here with Romi Rain.
Romi Rain. Hi, how you doing over here?
What's up? So, I have a question.
Yeah.
Are you elite or are you a freak?
Oh, I'm an elite freak.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, just like Rose.
There you go. She gets it. That's why we're here, baby.
Oh, that's why we're here.
Yeah.
What's the best parties that you've been to this year?
Honestly, the parties, the parties. Those are the parties, baby. Yeah, the real VIP clientele.
Oh, any standout moments?
Just things, the regular. Yeah.
Oh, fair enough.
Standard of 2026. Yeah.
Let's get it. Where do you want people to find you?
RomiRain.com, Romi_Rain on X, Romi Rain on Instagram, or just Google me, you filthy pervert.
Yeah, you filthy perverts. See you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bobby!